How to fix this version is not on WhatsApp. WhatsApp requires every phone number to have a complete international country prefix to recognize it properly. So just ensure that the phone number starts with a plus sign like plus and the country code like 44 for the United Kingdom and like +1 for the US, and after that start saving the user or your friend contacts on your device, and after that just click on save. And the other problem may be if WhatsApp is restricted from accessing your phone book, it will flag all external lookups as invalid. So make sure that you have your WhatsApp have the full permission for your contacts. For that, simply go to your settings, tap on the settings, and simply scroll down to the apps section, tap on apps, and from here scroll down to WhatsApp or simply tap on the search bar to search it instantly. Now tap on the application. Now go to the permission section and scroll down. Here you will see allowed and not allowed, and as the contacts is on not allowed, so that is the region that's not showing. So tap on contacts and make sure that you keep it on allow. So WhatsApp has full access and will search for your contacts. And if you have applied all of these steps and still having the problem, it may not be on your side. Maybe the user has just left or deleted the account. In this situation, you cannot do anything because they have changed their phone number or permanently deleted their WhatsApp profile. In that, you can just kindly ask them by calling if they have done so. And after that, you can easily start beginning to have conversation on WhatsApp. And that's it for the video, guys. Thank you for watching the video. If you enjoyed the video, consider giving a like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you on the next one.